With all of the changes in the prop trading space, prop firms going out of business and prop firms exiting the U.S. market, the number one question that every U.S. prop trader wants to know is, who can they still trade with? Hello everyone, I'm Kathy Lee, and in this video, you'll find a clear breakdown of the top 5 prop firms that take U.S. clients that I think you should be looking at with their complete on-screen visuals, drawdown rules, commission fees, and other pros and cons. But before we start, consider subscribing to this channel and hit the bell icon for notifications so that you never miss another update. I know that most of you are interested in the Forex CFD prop firms. I promise you that I'll share with you my recommendations for that later in this video. But if you are a U.S. prop trader, you really need to consider futures prop trading because it is becoming harder and harder for Forex and CFD prop firms to operate in the U.S. And more of them will exit the U.S. market or switch to offering futures prop completely, leaving you as a trader with fewer options and less experienced firms to trade with. The last thing that you want to do is to trade with a new, unproven firm. The futures market, on the other hand, is a centralized market. There's less funny business, and for the most part, the spreads are stable, even during high-impact news events. And you can buy in the bid and sell on the offer. These firms charge commissions instead. Apex Trader Funding started actually as Apex Investing, an education firm and trading community in 2008. They're our #1 pick. They've been around for a very long time, and their original business is built on the motto and spirit of helping traders succeed. Unlike many prop firms, they allow traders to keep 100% of the first $25,000 in profit, and they offer sizes from $25,000 to $300,000. So traders can choose an account based on their risk tolerance and strategy requirements. Above $25,000, traders can keep 90% of their profits on all accounts. And the platform only takes 10% for funding the traders, which is generous compared to other industry standards. Traders can enter into positions with both mini and micro contracts. For example, 1 mini contract equals 10 micros, offering granularity in position management. Their profit goals and trailing threshold also vary depending upon the account side. For a standard 50,000 Rhythmic or Tradingview account, the profit goal is $3,000 with a trailing threshold of $2,500. They have starting account sizes as low as $25,000, which is much more approachable for many traders. One of Apex Trader Funding's significant advantages is its flexibility in trading rules and their ability to let you trade up to 20 accounts simultaneously, amplifying profit potential by executing a single trade across multiple accounts, which supports various trading platforms including Rhythmic, Tradingview, NinjaTrader, and Tradingview, offering traders the flexibility to also choose the preferred trading environment. Now, once traders pass their evaluation, there's an activation fee for entering into a funded account, but their fees are so much cheaper than their competitors. So if you are interested in futures prop trading in ATF, check out the links in the description below for a big discount. Number 2 on our list of top 5 prop trading firms for U.S. traders is TopStep. They've been around since 2012, and they're also a futures prop trading firm. Bear in mind that most of the nouveau prop firms that are blowing up started in 2020, 2021, or 2022. One of the main benefits of TopStep is their platform, which is sleek and has advanced analytics on trading performance and your drawdown patterns, which traders really like because they like to see their own analytics. Then that helps them determine, what's working, what's not working. TopStep offers a tier-based profit target, and like Apex, the exact target depends on your account size. An account with 50,000 buying power, for example, has a profit target of $3,000 with a maximum loss of $2,000, which is tighter than ATF. And while a 150,000 account has a profit target of $9,000 and max limit of $4,500, which you can also compare to $5,000 max limit at ATF. TopStep does support over 13 platforms with daily payouts of 50% of the account balance, but the trader must have 5 winning days of $200 or more per payout request. TopStep has many limitations and may also be a deal breaker for some traders. For example, initially, the traders are limited to only 5 contracts for $50,000. With that said, they offer a lot of support and education, including tutorials, guides, webinars, and market analysis reports. Now, for Forex CFD prop, U.S. traders should look at DarwinX Zero. DarwinX Zero is an extension of DarwinX, which was founded in 2012. DarwinX is a regulated broker and asset manager in the EU and the UK, so that alone sets them apart from the rest. It is a completely different model, however, than most of the Forex and CFD prop firms that you may be familiar with, in that there's a monthly fee. So it's more similar to the futures model. You can still trade with MT4, MT5, which many people like, but the program is very, very different. There's no return requirement initially. You start with the calibration stage that helps them determine what your rating as a trader is. And after they get that rating, you will automatically move into their silver stage. And if you have a rating of 75 or more, they break down the ways you can accomplish that, you'll be given a minimum allocation of 30,000 euros. And if you are among their top performers, they will increase that allocation to as much as 375,000 euros in the silver phase. Then you get 15% performance fee on the return achieved. Now, it doesn't sound like much, but they're trying to attract more professional traders. There are rules, of course, around this, but this is much closer to the traditional fund manager model. If you're doing very well, you can move on to the gold program and access more funds, and eventually be considered for the regulated DarwinX seed allocation program, which has more than 140 million in management. This type of program is more closely aligned with trader success because they're trying to identify and groom potential money managers. Number 4 is City Traders Imperium. Founded in 2018, Martin Haddad and Daniel Martin come from a financial markets background, which I like. Daniel, the current CEO, has more than 20 years of trading experience. They claim that they have the highest pass rate and offer as much as 100% profit share on an initial profit amount. There are no minimum trading days, no time limits, and quick payouts. They also don't have a trailing drawdown. On the challenge accounts, their phase 1 target is 10% with a 5% max daily drawdown and a 10% absolute drawdown. But there are some things that you need to be aware of. They do restrict high-frequency trading, latency arbitrage, and martingale strategies, which may limit certain traders who specialize in these methods. Also, I'm not sure how much longer they'll be offering their prop trading to U.S. traders. The fifth on the top prop firms for U.S. traders is a tie, actually, between Funded Trading Plus and E8 Markets. Both Forex and CFD prop firms have been around since 2021, so shorter than any of the other firms that I've mentioned in this video. But they have a high Trustpilot rating, and they both have a 80% profit split. Funded Trader Plus has 3 types of program: 1 phase, 2 phase, and instant. No maximum trading days. 10% target, 6% maximum loss with a 4% daily loss. EAs are allowed, which will make some people happy, and a stock is not required. They pay out every 7 days, and they white label their platform. E8 Markets has fewer options than Funded Trading Plus. They only offer a 2 or 3-step evaluation, with an 8% profit target and a 4% daily loss and an 8% maximum loss. Their technology is in-house, but they pay out every 14 days instead of 7 days. On a pricing basis, Forex and CFD prop trading is typically more expensive than futures prop trading. At Funded Trading Plus, for example, a 50,000 one-phase account costs $349. The same 50,000 futures account at Apex costs $167 a month, but they are oftentimes running deals. Our discount code in the description below saves you more than 70%, which brings that rate down to less than $50. These are my top trading prop firms for US traders. Based on this information, which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. If you live outside the US, you have many more options, and I'll be doing a video on this soon. So if you don't want to miss that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all next time.